A perfect Memorial Day weekend capped off today. Highs in the mid-80s. Meteorologists Dave down here. Nothing to complain about the past few days. Just a few more clouds today than what we had Saturday and Sunday. Light winds, low humidity, lots of sunshine. Things will start to change a little bit tomorrow to start the shortened work week. The main thing you're going to really notice is the increased humidity tomorrow. Dew points jump by about 8 to 10 degrees, so a lot more moisture in the atmosphere starting tomorrow through probably at least Saturday. And we'll also try to find out where that next cold front, if at all, it's going to arrive next week. Nice night to grill out tonight, as it's been the past few nights. Temperatures dipping into the upper 70s, not until 9 o'clock tonight. So a warm evening. Lows tonight about 5 degrees warmer than last night. Mid 60s in the metro, upper 50s to low 60s outside of the metro. Eastern Iowa, I think, gets the low 90s tomorrow. 92 in Davenport, 90 in Cedar Rapids. Mid to upper 80s here in central Iowa. Here are those dew points. Right now, they're only in the mid 50s. So not too bad. They're a few degrees more moist, if you will, than last night. Overnight tonight, they will start to increase. Mid 60s for dew points by tomorrow night. And that continues into Wednesday, if not only maybe a little bit more humid for hump day there on Wednesday. And that continues into Thursday as well. So we're going to make the muggy meter animate here a little bit. That's where it is right now in the dry category, but by tomorrow and through much of the week, it'll be in between the comfortable and humid categories. But I think given where we're going to be definitely in terms of temperatures, close to 90, it is definitely going to feel a wee bit humid out there. All right, Futurecast tonight, everything stays out to the west in terms of showers and thunderstorms. But then by late morning to early afternoon tomorrow, some stuff is going to try to fire here along and west of I-35. They're not going to move that fast at all. I think this model is overdoing it. I think it has the right idea. But I don't think we're going to see rain from, Hamilton County all the way down to Mercer County, Missouri, the county just south of Decatur County there. I think there'll be scattered thunderstorms throughout the day tomorrow. They're going to be moving very slowly. So the number one impact for them is going to be heavy rainfall, which we will use. Des Moines has not gotten measurable rain in 2 weeks. That all gets out of here by Tuesday night. Wednesday starts dry. We might see a few pop-ups you see here in the afternoon, just a little popcorn dotting here and there. This is more so what I expect tomorrow. There is a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather tomorrow in far northern Iowa. If anything, it's a quarter-size hail threat, but because the winds are so light aloft, there's no what we call wind shear for the updrafts, for the energy in the storm to sustain themselves, because they rise up and they fall right back down on top of each other because there's no change in wind direction with height. So yeah, it's going to be warm, it's muggy, but the winds are so light, the storms cannot sustain themselves. This is one of Brandon's favorite graphics here, which I think makes it all of our favorite graphics here. It's really a Florida-like kind of pattern ahead the next week or so. Feast or famine is what we call it. Some places will get over an inch of rain. Some places won't get any at all. So this poor house, maybe it's a good thing, in the bottom left-hand corner is asking, why is it raining? It's only a 20% chance. Well, it's because about 10 to 20% of the houses are getting rain. I guess both this house and the one behind it. And then the house in the bottom middle here is saying, well, why isn't it raining? They said a chance of rain. Well, a couple houses in a couple other counties are getting the rain. So that's kind of illustrated well with the long-range rainfall graphic here. Some places, maybe in southeastern Iowa, don't pick up much through Friday. Meanwhile, some places in northwestern Iowa get more than everybody else. We'll keep an eye on it. Much muggier tonight. Lows in the mid-60s in the metro. We'll go 87 for an afternoon high tomorrow with those scattered early to middle afternoon storms. Whole Plumbing and Heating 10-day forecast still expecting few 90s by mid to late week. That's just a popcorn joke there. Would you like more butter? Because all of these storms later in the week, as you saw on Wednesday's Futurecast, are just going to be pickpocket, just really all over the map there. Popcorn all over the place, just like they're coming out of the microwave. Saturday looks drier. That cold front will try to get here by next Wednesday, but we'll see about that.